Welcome to my channel. I have a small business, Samanzz, and I specialize in handmade art and accessory items. My forte is jewelry pieces, but I also make decoration pieces and wall hanging art pieces. Today I will be doing the first step in creating these stud earrings. So what we'll need for this project is some sew-on crystal or sew-on rhinestones. These ones are glass and it's in the metal alloy bezel. Next I have the 8000 glue here. This works really well for metal and plastic, glass. It sticks really well and it's flexible so it doesn't break easily. I have these tweezers to help me position items, my stud onto it, and I have these stud backing with clear rubber finding or backing. So, all you need to do is glue these stud backings onto these rhinestones. Glue is self-leveling, so you don't need to worry too much about spreading it. That should be enough. I like putting it in the corner to make it sort of like a diamond shape. So I'm putting it right at the top corner right here. Just like so. Like that. And then just hold it for a few seconds. This total needs 24 to 48 hours to fully cure, but it gets tacky in a minute or so. So just hold it for a few seconds, and yeah, that should hold it. And then that's it. I just need to leave it for 24 to 48 hours before going on to the next step, which will be making and adding these dangles to it. So now for the next step, you basically just need an eye pin to make the dangle. I currently have run out of eye pins, so I'm making my own from wire. Usually about 20 gauge wire does the trick. 22 as well works fine. I think 20 is a little bit harder to work with. Basically, you just need to add the bead on the jump ring to the end of the jump ring here, like I'm doing. Just add it and close it up tight so that it doesn't come out. Here we go. Having a ready-made eye pin makes this step way more easier than it needs to be. But close it tight so that they don't fall out, the jump ring and the bead don't come out. There we go, that's done. And then we have to just add this acrylic bead onto the eye pin, like so. Bend it at a right angle to create the head of the pin or the dangle. Cutting it here so I can make the loop on top. This wire I'm using is a little bit hard to cut, but there we go. And now just making just making the loop on top. Just using my needle nose pliers to make the top loop. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, and pinch it tight so that nothing will come apart, fall out. Using my pliers, needle nose pliers, to pinch it closed, pinch it tight, and there you go. There's the dangle. And now just need to add the dangle onto the crystal rhinestone. For that, it's this crystal rhinestone right here. For that, we just need the 5mm jump ring. 5mm works well. You can use a bigger size. 6mm would work too, but 5 works nicely. You just need to open up the jump ring just a little. Opening it up a little works better when attaching it to the end of the rhinestone. Here I'm struggling a little bit to put the jump ring into the rhinestone, but if you just open it a little bit, it makes this process a whole lot easier. Sorry, I'm not in focus. I need to figure my camera angles out. But here you just need to close the jump ring as much as you can after putting on the dangle, acrylic bead dangle. And close it tight. There we go. Here is the earring. Ta-da! And here you can see we have the finished product. Ta-da! Stud dangle earrings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.